Let's try 46 watts. What would be the equivalent in horsepower? 0.06. That's too low. Let's try a higher number, 456 watts. That's equivalent to my electric drill. 0.611 horsepower. That's higher than 1/2 horsepower. 1/2 horsepower is 0.5. Let's try the exact horsepower equivalent. That will be I have googled it and it was equivalent to 746 watts. 746 watts equivalent to mechanical horsepower. 746. Meron na kabayo. What if balik natin sa mas mababa? Oh, nawala na naman.